Morning mga partners. So tutorial tayo paano mag-request ng cash out. So pindutin lang natin ito may cash wallet siya na $5. So click lang natin itong cash out. Okay, so lagyan natin ng lapis. So ito yon. Okay, yan. So yan ang pipindutin natin para makapag-request tayo ng cash out. So proceed na tayo, then i-click natin yung request cash out button. Okay, yan. How much would you like to withdraw? So minimum natin is $2 from cash wallet yan. So may 5 siya, may 3 na may 1. Okay, so pwede namang 5. Okay, so gawin na natin 5. So mode of preferred payment, GCash. Okay, so Philippine peso, then proceed. Okay, then mamimili ka ng banker. So halimbawa ito piliin natin. Okay, then click mo lang itong arrow, yan. Then cash out amount $5, may cash out fee na 10%, which is $0.50. So amount to receive $263. Yan. Then lagay mo lang yung login password, tapos confirm. Okay, yan na. Then hintayin mo na lang. Okay, so close natin. Makikita na ng banker yan. So yan po ang tutorial. So ayan, nabawas na yung $5. So wait na lang po natin. So kung mapansin niyo sa cash out request, pag i-click natin ito, meron na dyan, yan. So may request cash out, naka-pending pa yan. So pag na-process na ni banker yan, mawawala na yan. So mapupunta na kay banker yung $5. Okay, so yan ang tutorial paano mag-request ng cash out.